And now let's get more updates on the ground. We are joined by Rico Francisco from the Public Information Office of Taytay, Rizal. She joins us via Zoom. Good morning, Annie. Ano na ba ang sitwasyon ngayon sa Taytay? May mga lugar pa ba na binabaha?
Good morning. Yes, there are still some areas na meron po tayong flooding but very minimal. But all our major roads have been passable since a few days back.
Okay, Annie, tell us about, or have there been any reports of casualties or missing persons in Taytay, Rizal?
As of now, there are no reports of casualties or missing persons, so we're all good. No medical emergencies as well has been reported due to freezing.
So tell us, Annie, about the disaster response in Taytay, Rizal kasi mukhang naging maganda naman yung response nyo this time despite experiencing heavy rains brought by the habagat.
Yes, it has been good. We have very efficient command center, MDR, MO, and also the leadership of our mayor. And what's good with our situation is that we have been prepared, and with the leadership of our mayor, the working relationship with our barangays have been very harmonious. So we're working together with them. The barangay or the LGU is able to augment each other's needs as well during this time.
So no casualties, but how many families and individuals were displaced? And how many are there in evacuation centers?
Okay, as of the last situation report, we have all 5 barangays. We have activated evacuation centers. So, for example, in Barangay Dolores, there has been 2 evacuation centers, and in San Juan there are 5, and in Barangay Santa Ana 3, Muzon 1, and in San Isidro there has been 2 activated evacuation centers. Now, with regards to the number of families in total, so our evacuation centers are 13 in total, no casualties. Total number of families affected or are in the evacuation centers is 1,138, and number of individuals is 4,773.
So close to 5,000 individuals in evacuation centers. What assistance is the Taytay Rizal government giving them? And how are you ensuring that the safety and well-being of evacuees is there, especially for seniors, PWDs, and children?
Yes, so for one, through the municipal health office, our doctors have been going around the evacuation centers, doing routine checkups, and we're giving away medicines. And we're also giving doxy just to make sure that we'll be able to avoid the leptospirosis. And aside from that, we have given assistance. So there are relief goods. We're giving out mattresses, blankets, basic needs, toiletries, and of course, there are hot meals provided as well in our evacuation centers.
Would you say that the residents of Taytay Rizal were more responsive now to preemptive evacuation compared to previous years?
There has been no report that it has been difficult to get the evacuees. So some voluntarily went to the evacuation centers once their area started to get flooded. So pretty peaceful despite of the crisis that we're having right now.
And it's good because of taking a look at some of the videos that we have here of your evacuation centers, there are a lot of children, lots of mothers, even toddlers, and as young as probably 1 to 2 years old. So mahalaga po talaga, no, na ma-ensure yung kanilang safety and to protect them from health-related risks. But Annie, Pag-asa did already say that they are monitoring continued weather disturbances, and it might last all week until the weekend. How prepared is Taytay Rizal for that and is taking care of your constituents?
So with the leadership of our mayor, so everything is in control and we're prepared. So as the town's vision is, Taytay, bayang nakangiti at pinagpala, handa, ligtas at payapa. So we're striving for that. We're aiming for that. So with our MSWD, all the other departments, we're in full force. So working 24/7. There are some preparing hot meals, and our responders are always present as well. And if I may mention also, so we've been preparing since 2022 when the new administration came in the administration of Mayor Alan, because flooding has been a real problem for the town.
Mm-hmm.
So what was done since 2022 was we did continuous river dredging, desilting. So we just cleaned our waterways because we have no choice. We are catch basin from the waters from Antipolo and other higher areas. So naturally, the water flows through Taytay. But what's good is that even if binabaha kami, mas madali na siyang mag-subside because
Mm-hmm.
of the efforts of our flood control unit. So not just the LGU, all the barangays are doing their part also in cleaning our waterways. So I think that has a great effect on the
Mm-hmm.
situation that we have right now. So it's part of the preparation as well.
Mm-hmm. And for those who may still need assistance from the Taytay local government, how can they reach you? And for those din na walang access no sa internet.
Okay, so for those who have access to the internet, just uh, check our post. It's on our pin post. Also, the hotline numbers are there as well. And you can just contact us, message us. We're very responsive. So, not just the public information page, but other pages as well of our LGU, especially the command center. And
Mm-hmm.
for those who wouldn't have access to internet, the quickest would be to go to their barangays, to their purok chairmans, or we have sent information and also have signages where the evacuation areas are.
Mm-hmm.
They can go directly to the evacuation areas as well if needed.
Mm-hmm. All right. Well, thank you very much for all those updates. That was Annie Rico Francisco, Public Information Officer of Taytay Rizal.